So yeah, we just put a door in the barn right there where they can go inside, but I don't think the chickens know about it. So yeah, just pick them up one at a time, toss them in that door, and then they'll know the door's there. Just kind of toss them in there.
That one's a hen.
Huh?
This one's a hen.
That one's a hen?
Yep. This one ain't a hen. Unless it grows in its other wings. And I think it will. It's got 2 layers of feathers.
Okay, well, put them in that door so they know to go inside. Let's see you catch this last one.
I got 2 over here still.
Good luck and may the force be with you. Oh, you caught it. You caught it.
This one's a hen.
Okay, good.
I ain't trying to catch that last one. It'll follow.
Well, the big one went in the door, right?
Yeah, and it follows it around. See, look.
Okay, they're coming out the door. They know it's there.
Are all of them out? No. See,
Nope.
that's a shade.
There goes the last one. Nope, that'll work. You know, there's a way you could put a piece of wood in between that, pop it away from the wall.
I did. I put a piece of this plywood behind it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah, my back hurts.